Welcome to Squadron TV. I'm Jeff Fee, the Chief Modeler at Squadron. Squadron TV is for all modelers and for all dreamers because that's who we are too. We want you to be part of our family and let us be part of your family. Our history is the same as your history. We're here to help each other. Squadron TV is an educational outreach of MMD Squadron, one of the largest military model distributors in the world. Formed by modelers in the late 1960s, Squadron Mail Order is the oldest and most reliable mail order firm in the United States, specializing in military models, books, and modeling supplies. For decades, we've scoured the world to find and present the finest quality and greatest variety of modeling supplies for the modeling community. It doesn't matter where you live, we will deliver what you need. We accept your orders via email, phone, or online. Squadron TV is here to help you. Please subscribe today and you won't miss any of the great information we share on our YouTube channel. We regularly add to our playlists. Those include Squadron Minutes, quick introductions of tools and techniques, inbox reviews, piece-by-piece examinations by staff modelers of new model releases just as you see them at home. Squadron Builds, piece-by-piece assembly and modification of a model kit by staff modelers. Squadron Books, quick partial reviews of books published here by Squadron Signal Publications. Remote Control, quick demonstrations of our remote and radio controlled products. Squadron Debriefs, discussions with significant modelers, veterans and historians. If you like a video, tell your friends and hit the like button so we can make more for you. We pay attention to what you like and we love to read your comments. Please like and comment often. Again, welcome to Squadron. Please take a moment to subscribe and browse our channel archives. Ready? Where are you, my mother?